Hi citizens of Dearborn Heights. My name is Max, I'm the Fire Marshal here in the city of Dearborn Heights. October 2nd, we're having our open house from 10 to 2. Come on out, it's open to the public. This is your building, our building we live in. You can come out, you can see what we do all day long. We have some training props set up. We have some indoor training props. If you've never used a smoke detector before, or heard of smoke detector, or used a fire extinguisher, we got all sorts of those things going on. This will be at the open house. This is our fire extinguisher simulator. So we've got real-time fire, we've got a fire extinguisher, same weight, and it's also got like, it'll run out of its charge. So if I'm in a fire and it's taking me too long, this thing will actually stop working on me. You pull your pin, aim, so I was able to put the fire out with this fire extinguisher. If the fire got too big and this runs out, that kind of gives you the mindset to, hey, I need to get out of the house. This fire's too big, I can't handle it. So please come out, try the simulators, ask us any questions. It's a public building, open to you guys. This year's theme is learn the sounds of fire safety. Your beeps on your smoke detector, the short beeps are batteries, the long beeps, there's trouble. You need to get out of the house. Come here, talk to any of us. We'll teach you what we do throughout the day. Please come out, October 2nd, 1999, Beach Daily, 10 to 2. Very kid-friendly, outdoor event. Have a great day.